Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are tasked to find the positive square root of the following numbers which are given in prime factorization form, and finally your final answer in index notation. So for part A, this problem in red, square root of this number, and so the square root of 5 power 4 times 7 square, I can actually rewrite this whole thing as, I could break them out into 5 power 2 times 5 power 2, 7 times 7. And I could do some rearrangement, just so that you can see it. And you start to see that there is actually two groups that is exactly the same. And this is something that I wish to share, that when we square root, and this one I can rewrite it as the whole thing is a square, and therefore final answer 5 squared times 7 in index notation. So for part B, let's repeat. So given this, we are supposed to find the positive square root of this. Again, you can see that I'm going to try and split them into two groups of factors. 2 power 3 times 11 power 5, 2 power 3 times 11 power 5. Because you can see that 2 power 3 and 2 power 3 will give me back my 2 power 6. 2 power 11 power 5, 11 power 5 will give me back my 11 power 10. And so, we would be able to see that there is actually two equal pairs of these, and therefore final answer is, okay, so that you can see that there's actually an equal group of these, which is highlighted here. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. With that, thank you and have a nice day.